Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough of my 2021 Mastercraft XStar. This boat has the silver forward metal flake with the blue metal flake in the white hull, white deck, and the blue metal flake boot strap. Has the white fiberglass swim deck. And then on the back here, you have a little footrest and the flip up seat, and also obviously it flips down. You got the nice walk through here. Coming on up, we have the Z4 tower, collapsing tower with the 8.0 Klish speakers. This here is the reverse flip seat. Nice contoured seating, as you can see, nice long benches. Also, we got the reverse pop back rest up over here on the behind the captain's chair here, and this also will flip down flat. Built-in cooler. Here's your reverse flip seat that just pulls up, flips out, and faces backward or down flat, and then you can put that filler pad in for a nice sun pad. Has the great gray deck in its flooring, very comfortable, stays nice and cool. Battery charger. We have the advanced dual audio, dual screen in this, so you have the dual screens, the speakers in the dash, your 4 cockpit speakers, 2 subwoofers, and then of course we have the tower speakers. With the billet door, the XStar comes equipped with the fold down armrest. We have the bow filler for this, so you can sit 4 up here, actually really comfortable. 23 foot, this boat seats 16 people, and it's a very roomy, it's a big 23 foot boat. We have heaters, heater vents, heated seat here, heated captain's chair, fast fill. This boat has everything with the 4,100 pounds of ballast. On a 5,800 pound boat, this boat makes a tremendous surf wave, and it's one of the best wakeboard boats in the world. Easy fold down tower. So fully equipped, fully loaded out 2021 Mastercraft XStar. Come and check this boat out at MarineMax here in Greenville, or you can go ahead and look at the website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. or you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Come and check this wonderful boat out. It's last 2021 XStar. So it's a great deal. Get you out on the water still this summer. Inventory is tough to come by. So there's one here. Come and look at it, and still got some great summer left on this boat. Thank you.